Sanmonani, igama lami ubonga ngamahlaba. Welcome to BongAppetit. Namhlanje we're making wraps. So I'm making tuna wraps. Tuna wrap is healthy, it's easy to make. Less than, I'll say 6 minutes, it's done, and it's cost effective. This meal, it costed me like under 120 rand. There's some ingredients, so it's tortilla wrap, cheddar cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, corn, and tuna, salt and pepper, mayo, and sweet chili. So first thing first, okay, I'll take my wrap, sweet chili, mayonnaise. So like your wrap, you can serve it with chips, you can serve it with the salad, but for me, I'm just gonna serve it with the skewer potatoes. So to normal potatoes, I just slice them like this, and I've skewered it in, and I'm just gonna deep fry them on my hot oil. So it's my wrap, mayonnaise, sweet chili, lettuce, cucumber, tomato, umbila, which is your corn, salt and pepper for seasoning, then tuna, then we're gonna throw in cheddar cheese, and then we wrap. So with my wrap, just to give it a nice color, so I'm just gonna put the pan on the stove just to give it a nice grill, just a nice sear, just to give it a nice color, and it's also gonna melt the cheese inside. Then remember, I'm gonna put my potatoes just to deep fry. So the pan is getting hot. Then I'm gonna just put my wrap just to give it a color. Okay. When you're having something with cheese, you want your cheese to melt. Just give it a garnish. I'm just gonna use lettuce just for garnish. Okay, the wraps are good to go. Then you're just gonna add some edible flowers for garnish. There you go, your wrap is ready. So just a quick recap on my ingredients. So it's tuna fish, it's corn, it's tomato, it's cucumber, it's cheese, and it's then with your potato. So there you have it, your tuna wrap. Your boy BongAppetit. Enjoy.